Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering down and detaching the keyboard. Safety prevents damage. Remove the spacebar keycap with a flat pry tool, lifting evenly from both ends so clips don't snap. Inspect the exposed stabilizer. You'll typically see a metal bar, plastic clips, and a foam pad. Once done, photograph the setup to remember orientation, because correct reassembly depends on clip alignment and any foam cushioning that dampens sound and travel. Now you clean and check the stabilizer and switch area. Use 90% isopropyl on a cotton swab to remove grime, then dry fully. If clips are cracked, carefully realign or replace them. Brittle plastic often causes wobble. Lubricate pivot points and the bar lightly to reduce friction. Too much lube slows return, so apply thin amounts. Once done, reseat the metal bar into its clips and test tension, because balanced tension ensures an even press across the entire spacebar. Finally, reassemble by positioning the keycap, pressing center first, then edges, so clips engage without excessive force. You should test typing immediately and use a key tester to confirm consistent actuation. Inconsistent hits usually mean misaligned stabilizer or debris. If it still feels mushy or wobbly, try swapping the metal bar or replacing the stabilizer assembly. These are inexpensive fixes. One troubleshooting tip: if the bar squeaks or binds, add a tiny additional lube at the pivot points and retest to confirm smooth travel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.